That's better. Have me brekkie. Steak and egg breakfast. I've not had that for my entire life. You know, man. That copper, that policeman, he's got a massive stick, like a... Whew. You don't want to mess around out here. I mean, there's quite a lot of posts on the Facebook page from the police saying, look, you know, if you ride like a dick, we're going to do you. So don't ride like a dick. Simple as. And they're also saying that, you know, we use a bit of common sense. If you're doing just over 30 and a 30 and there's no traffic around and blah blah blah, you know, we're not just going to do you. You're going to have to be acting like a bit of an idiot. But you hear all the stories about horrendous fines and even people being marched off to jail for, you know, going stupid speeds, you know, like 90 through a 30 or something ridiculous. Yeah, so just don't act like it. I can understand why people do it, you know, they see the racing and they're young and on a sports bike and everyone's like revving the bikes and you're thinking, yeah, you just get carried away in the moment. When you're young, when you're riding that Danny Pedrosa over there on the Repsol number 26, then you get your mate come up and rev at you. You know, it's so tempting just to go nuts, isn't it? Innit, bruv, fam. Until you get old like this and then you have a sensible, comfortable machine. Right, where are we going then? Vehicle departure. That will be me then. No, not there, is it? Vehicle departure. Oh, it's in here, look. It's quite straightforward, isn't it? Very straightforward, isn't it? Isn't it? Thank you. This one? Did you tell me to go in this lane?
Yeah, you're checking it now, mate.
I was thinking, am I in the wrong lane? It don't take a lot to confuse me, mate. Right, where's my ticket? Hello, buddy. Sorry, it's on. Can you grab that? Sorry, mate. Thank you. With panniers.
Yeah, so just head forward, down that gently there. Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Cheers, bud. I'm with panniers. Where am I? With panniers. Thank you. Where? It's down there. Okay. I might not get in there with him. I don't know how far he leans over.
Which way are you doing it?
He said 2 in this.
Oh, which way are you doing it? Are you doing it in 2? Oh, it's just outside the lane because it's the circle on the other side first.
Yeah. I was waiting for the Harley man to move over because I thought.
Okay, so just a few security questions for you,
Yeah.
sir.
Let me.
Now, for some unbeknown reason to me, I switched my camera off at that point, which in hindsight I should have left it on. The lady asked some security questions before we boarded the boat. This never happened on the way out, it just happened on the way back. They actually said to me, have you got anything in the panniers that you're not supposed to have? And I said, well, nothing really. You can. And she wanted to look in the panniers, which she did. There was a gas bottle in my panniers from my camping, which she confiscated from me. It only had about ½ inch of gas in there, so I wasn't overly fussed. So just a warning for people, if you're going camping, which a lot of people obviously are, then probably best to hide your gas bottles and don't mention it, otherwise they'll be confiscated, which is a bit strange, but there you go.
Where am I going? That way, yeah? That's why I don't like going first, really. Thinking, where the fuck? Right down the bottom.
All the way down.
Yes. So it looks like first in, first off by the looks of it. Oh, please don't knock my panniers, otherwise. Where am I going? There? Back up, yeah? There we go. Chaotic. Go for it. This is the worst bit. The ramp looks really slippy. It's not, it's just a bit meh. I'm hoping this is not rain. It looks like it's fine drizzle to me, but hopefully it's the sea, because it's quite a windy crossing. Pleasant enough, just a little bit windy. I seem to have got over my seasickness episode that I've had the last few years. Thank God for that. Now to navigate out of Liverpool, which is always fun. I'm sure it's not quite as bad as everyone makes out, but I don't want to slow down just in case. Look at these lot. All these lot waiting to get on must be thinking to themselves, oh, it's only Wednesday, why are these lot coming back? Oh shit mate, I wouldn't bother going, it's crap. I've cancelled it, health and safety. Nice. Wearing glasses and riding motorbikes in the wet. Not a great combo. So I didn't realise I'd have to deal with such irritating situations as this. Put your visor down and everything steams up, you can't see nothing. Oh God's sake. So on the way back, we've seen, on the way over, nothing security wise, we just basically got on the boat. On the way back, security was checking everybody, pretty much like being in the airport. Are these your bike, your bags? Did you pack your bags yourself? Did anyone ask you to carry something on for you? You know, usual airport type questions. Do you want to have a look in your top box? No, help yourself. Have a look in my top box. Oh, you got a gas bottle there, sir. You're not allowed to take that on there. They're like, well, I took it over there. Oh, well, you weren't supposed to. Yeah, but you know how many thousands of people stay on campsites, and we all have like little stoves for a cup of tea and whatever. How are we supposed to cook our tea without a gas bottle? It's kind of what you do when you go camping. Oh, well, I don't think you're allowed to take them over. So anyway, I only had probably ½ inch of gas in the bottom of my bottle. which I let them keep it. Not that I had a choice, but I said, oh, just do what you want. There's only a little tiny smidgen of gas, which is always a pain in the ass next time you go out, because you have to take the smidgen to use and a full gas bottle, where really you only want the full gas bottle, so it's taking up real estate in the top box. But so if you got gas bottles, just hide them in the depths of your bag. And no, I've got nothing. Have you got anything sharp in there? No, don't think so. A pen? I've got a pen. I could stab you in the face with that, I suppose. I don't know what they're trying to I don't know. Do people smuggle things from the Isle of Man to the mainland? And if so, is there a lucrative market in smuggling whatever illegal items from the Isle of Man? I don't know. Have they got some moonshine, some Isle of Man hashish or something? Because you can't get like duty-free cigarettes like you do abroad. Don't know. If anyone knows, let me know. Anyway, it looks like we're sitting here for a little bit. For no particular reason. Oh, here we go. It's always one of them. It's like, do I turn the engine off before everyone's eyes start stinging with all the bloody exhaust fumes? And then you turn it off and then it's time to go. I hate riding slow like this. And this is the first time I rode with these panniers on, which I probably already mentioned. I do like repeating myself. I need to let me brake. Where am I going?
Go left that way!
Left? Oh, fuck that. Where am I going? Left? I said go left, didn't he? What am I going left for? Alright.
The Flying Yeti!